spooky clown.
Oh, you're gonna take pictures?
Mm-hmm. Assuming this is a fake elevator at one point. There's a button that does nothing. A door. There's a bear telling me to go this way. And it's just darkness.
Yeah, that was not too good for the camera.
No, you can't see anything.
No, I can't see you.
Oh, what do we got now? Alright, we got an animatronic.
Help me! Help me! The shadows! Break the shadows! Get me down! Oh, I'm running here because I refuse to help a doctor with his evil experiments. This would change my mind, but I witnessed the horrors here. Frankenstein's cruel, grotesque surgical procedure. I chose death. Oh, but my soul will not rest. Will not rest. My bones must be interred in holy ground. Help me. Please, take me with you. Don't leave me. Don't leave me.
Well, I think we're gonna leave this guy.
Yeah, let's leave. Sorry, dude.
Okay. Oh, this is a full-scale animatronic in here.
Where are you going? Who are you? I know who you are. Escape patience. Yes. Well, now, you don't really want to leave. Why, our world-renowned master, Dr. Frankenstein, has need of your, services. Yes, your services. Back to yourselves, all of you. Do as I say. Now, guards. Wait till I get you. Wait till I get you.
Oh, he was pretty cool. It's a pretty good animatronic.
Yeah, definitely.
All right, and well, that gentleman's not having a good day, I don't think.
It's kind of creepy.
Yes, it is. All right, big glowing stairs.
Oh, let's not.
Yes, and let's try not to fall on these stairs. The last time we went to a house of wax with a haunted house segment, I tumbled down the stairs. And that was not a fun time. Oh, that same bear tells me to go this way. Into the door. Oh, it's a door. Okay. Open the door. Oh, that was frightening. Yeah. You know, it's a pretty happy alligator for a haunted house. Oh no.
Planet floor.
It is a heavily tilted room. This would be especially challenging if you had one too many drinks in that skybar. Oh, well, he's a helpful ghoul. All right, let's see. A lot of corners. Yeah. It's just a lot of dark hallways at this point. There's definitely something above us. It's too dark to see, but I think it's skulls, like glowing skulls.
Yeah, I think they're skulls.
Oh, I think it's going to be another one of these jumper out guys. Oh, I don't think he's functioning.
No, he definitely is not.
Okay, for chickens push this way through the castle pull handle. Okay. Oh, there is something going on here. It's just boxes. This is the body part stock room. The body part shock room. I like that. Let's do that again. That's cool. Oh, it's very dark. Very dark. Very dark. Okay, these gentlemen with shovels tell us to go through this door, which is push. Oh, wonderful.
Do come in.
Okay, it's just kind of not showing up on the camera, but it's just, there's a ton of doors. Like there is a hallway of many doors.
This is the right door.
Make your choice. Make your
That's not the right door at all.
You won't escape anyway.
I didn't come in.
That's probably the right door. Let's try the other one.
Don't miss all the fun.
Maybe that's the right door. Okay. Oh no, this definitely takes us back into the door room. Alright, that way's free.
Will you still be alive?
This is just a corner. This is not good at all if you're claustrophobic. You can't, this is terrifying. You're in a closet.
Okay, well that's technically,
A chicken exit, we don't want to go that way. It's very Scooby-Doo-esque. But this is really not coming across well on the camera. But it's a cool room.
yeah.
A lot of them just lead to nowhere. Alright, let's get out of here. As this is not good at all with the dim lighting. But it's neat. That's a good haunted house trick. Alright. Nope, that was not the real door.
That was not the real door at all.
Oh man. Okay, was it this one?
No, we went to that.
We went through that one.
Yeah, we went to this one. No,
That's not a real door.
this one. Let's try this one. Now we gotta do this.
We haven't gone through this. Okay. Okay. Oh, it is. No, this takes us back to the door room again.
Okay, then this door? That's the door.
This is the door. No.
No. It's not the door.
No, we're back in the door room. Well, this is
We might have to take the chicken asset. I feel like I'm in very cold.
that's totally the door we came into.
Oh, no, that's so blank. It might be the only way. I don't know.
I would assume it's probably the emergency exit route, as all those doors go back to each other.
Yeah.
It's the only one. Yes. I believe this has to be. Oh, cool! Okay, we found the way out.
I feel like it has to be a different one.
Oh, it's got to be this way, I think.
I mean, this is obviously a way.
I'm guessing they had to put the emergency exit in the right spot.
Yeah.
It leads to a cool scene. I'm really digging the animatronics in this thing. And it seems to go on for a while.
Yeah?
There's a little devil character. We're back in the, another part of the skeleton go-round room. It's above you. Oh! It's like fake spider webs. Oh, spider webs.
Get out of that night! They're coming in the wall! These are the biggest rats the doctor has ever bred!
It's quite the audio they have. Man, this just keeps going.
Yeah, way longer than I thought.
Oh, we've got another big window. This one's pretty, not a ton going on here. Just like evil eyes.
I'm watching you.
Yeah. Oh, I guess that's what's going on here. See if we can get that one more time. Don't know where that trigger was. Where is it? Where is it? I like that. That is neat. Okay, okay. Oh, we're going up. We're going up a ramp. Up a ramp indeed. And we're going left.
I was gonna say, we have to come downstairs soon, right?
Stop, don't look down. There's nothing to see if you look down.
You only got one thing that had to be?
There, yeah, probably something. I don't know what was going on there. Looks like we're now going down a ramp. I wonder if that was like a spinning tunnel or something at one point. Oh, I can see the light of day.
Why did you go that way? Follow the arrows, silly.
There's a sad devil creature.
No, I shall take it.
Oh, I'm pretty sure I know what's gonna happen to this guy. Yep. He's getting electrocuted. Weird that they don't show you like him shaking around to his unfortunate doom. Alrighty. Definitely not the scariest of haunted houses, but it's pretty neat. More like
Way longer than I thought.
more like a haunted funhouse, I would say,
Yeah.
than a haunted house. Uh-oh, there's some strobe type lights over here. And some electricity. I would say this is very horror movie-esque at this point.
Yeah, I feel like I'm at a Halloween event.
Yep. Okay, we're done with the epilepsy corner. It's also, if you're claustrophobic, this would not be for you.
No.
I think we got something here. Well, that trigger doesn't work. Okay, continuing on. I know this is going to be a lot of just walking through darkness, because that's what a lot of this experience is. Oh, and we are going up more stairs.
That's odd.
Yeah, this is an experience. Okay, we're...
I think we're done.
No, I don't think so.
Oh, no, we're done. We're definitely not done.
We are definitely not done, as we are on the 3rd floor, overlooking the lovely Indiana Beach. Back to the Frankenstein Castle. It's really tough to go from like the lightness to the darkness like that,
Yeah.
because now I really can't see anything.
See, that's what they wanted you to do.
Maybe. I'm gonna push this demon here. Oh, it's very bright. Oh, and there's no air conditioning in this next room. Oh, it's a rock and roll monster band. Then my camera won't focus on. There it is. cheese.
It does. No air conditioning.
Oh!
Oh, look at that means.
Okay, Molly, demonstrate how that works there. And it shakes down. That's neat. All right, so you got this evil guy on drums. That's a singer, a beheaded singer. And then this gentleman hung by his feet playing upside down guitar. I like that gag. That's a good gag. Okay, we're back in the air conditioning and we're going downstairs. Weird the demon band room was not air conditioned. I guess that's like the turret of the castle. Oh, okay. Ooh, this one's an angry puppy. Push. I think we're going back to the demon band again.
I think so too.
That door just says no.
Obey.
Yep, I think we're back in demon band land.
I get the screaming EBGs when I look at you.
It's like a multi-level room. And it's a rope bridge. And there's our friends from the demon band. There's that platform that drops down. Well, it's got a big floating skull. And this bridge moves quite a bit. Really big room. Ooh, I think we must be getting towards the end. My camera has to adjust again to the light of the outside world. Interesting that you go to like full daylight rooms. Yes, this clown is not having a great day. And that's the end. I really enjoyed it.
Yeah.
That's really cool for $3.50. There's some cool animatronics in there. Some neat tricks, some neat gags. I told her if you're at Indian Beach, check this out.